So I'm doing one of my least favourite jobs today. I'm working my way through the jungle that are the summer raspberries, and they do get a bit overgrown at this time of year, but this is the time to cut them back because it's easy to tell the difference between the green shoots, stalks, stems, whatever, that will fruit next year, and the brown ones like this one, which are last year's. And I can also tell the brown ones because they're the ones that are tied in. So so it's a horrible job. And it looks so much better once it's all done, and there's all the debris down there that is chopping up. So let's just take a look down here. So these are the ones that want to come out, the ones that are brown, last year's stems, and I just generally cut those off right at the bottom. And these are the ones you want to leave in, but not necessarily all of them, and I'll look at that in a second. So now I've cleared away all of last year's wood. What I'm left with, I can start to assess, and what I'm looking for is kind of like this, like a nice spread of stems, which I tie in with paracord. And I do this because it's really soft. It holds off the stem, if you loop it around the string like that, and it lasts for ages. So this is 3 years old, and it's really easy to untie again. So I quite like it, and so that's what I'm after basically. Now some of these are too long. This goes right up here. This will just break off in the winter winds, so I will cut it off, and it'll throw up loads of fruiting side shoots as well, a bit like that one there. So here's one that's really badly damaged. It's from rubbing on the wire here, and it's very long as well. So I'm going to take that one out. Now I would leave it in if I didn't have anything else in that spot, but I've actually got 4 actually really nice stems blown over a bit in the wind. We've just had some really high winds, but they should be fine. Then it seemed to be damaged at the base there. So those are the ones I'm going to keep, and that one's going to go. So again, that's what I want to end up with. I will put some extra ties in like this, just to give them a little bit of extra stability in the winter winds. And this one down here, look, this is rubbish, so I'll take that off, take that out, rather than let it clutter things up. Show you one more. So here, there's too many new shoots grown here, so I think I shall take out this one and this one. These are the 2 weakest ones, and perhaps that one as well, and leave the rest. So I want about 4 or 5 shoots. So there we go, that's all finished, nicely spaced out. Just lots of tidying up to do. My name's Steve, this is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.